Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a product that might just be the unsung hero for many Fujitsu ScanSnap iX500 owners out there. The generic power adapter from Great Power Direct, specifically designed as a replacement for the PA030106461 cord PSU. It's a common scenario. You misplace your original power adapter, or perhaps it finally gives up the ghost after years of faithful service. Finding a reliable, cost-effective replacement can sometimes be a bit of a headache. That's where this Great Power Direct adapter steps in. While it's a generic option, the brand Great Power Direct is the manufacturer, suggesting a focused approach to producing these essential accessories. One of the first things that stands out is the CE certification. For anyone concerned about safety and quality, seeing that it meets CE specifications provides a significant level of reassurance. It means this power supply has been tested and found to comply with European safety, health, and environmental protection requirements. This isn't just some random, unverified adapter. It's built with a standard of safety in mind, which is paramount when dealing with electronics. The adapter itself is a corded electric unit, as you'd expect, featuring a standard 2-pin main power connector type. This simplicity ensures broad compatibility with typical wall outlets, making it a straightforward plug-and-play solution. Its item weight comes in at a very manageable 8 ounces. This lightweight design is a practical advantage, whether you're setting up your scanner on a desk or if you happen to move it around occasionally. It won't add unnecessary bulk or strain to your setup. The primary function, of course, is to reliably power your Fujitsu ScanSnap iX500 scanner. Users often report that it delivers consistent power, allowing their scanner to operate without any hiccups or interruptions. This is crucial for a device like the iX500, which is relied upon for efficient document scanning. The peace of mind that comes from knowing your scanner is receiving stable, appropriate power from a dedicated replacement like this is invaluable. It ensures your scanning tasks can proceed smoothly, without worrying about power fluctuations or compatibility issues that can sometimes arise with lesser quality generic alternatives. In essence, for anyone in need of a dependable power solution for their Fujitsu ScanSnap iX500 scanner, especially if they're looking for a replacement for the PA030106461, this Great Power Direct generic power adapter presents itself as a solid contender. It combines essential safety certifications with practical design and reliable performance, making it a worthy consideration for keeping your scanner up and running.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.